Hey dolls, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anase, and if this is your first time of stopping by, or welcome. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you. So today I'll be using my Motives cosmetics. I got this from their PR. Yeah, your girl is now among the PR for Motive Cosmetics. It's really exciting to me. I was really so happy when they reached out to me. Yes, I'm happy. Okay, so this their Bloom palette is their new summer collection. So I went in with Pony, yeah, pony for my as a translucent color. Then I used flora, and the yellow one I'm using now is called marigold. These colors are really vibrant, although they are not really pigmented, but it's really okay. I like it for the summer. You know, you don't need anything too cakey and all that, and it's really colorful, vibrant. That's what summer is all about. So yeah, I like it. Like I was saying, I was really so excited. I'm not part of their PR package. Yay. Okay, so now that's their Motives liquid foundation. I used deep and caramel. This foundation is the bomb, guys. This foundation is really creamy. I loved the finish outlook of this foundation. It's really creamy. Yeah, so I went in with my Inglot face powder just to set my face up, and that's Laura Mercier. Yeah, you guys already know the drill. You know how I do, you know how I contour, how I highlight and all that. Okay, yeah, so I'm going in. I want CoverGirl Queen Ebony Bronze just to warm up my face more because I'm extra like that. You guys can see. Yeah, I'm feeling myself. Okay, so I'm dusting away the excess powder I have now. Dust. Yep. So the colors I used for my eyes, I'm using them on around my waterline, which is the Pony Marigold, Peony. Yeah. So yeah, I'm warming up my face again. That's my blush, Sleek Makeup by 3 Palettes. So that's their setting spray, also from Motive Cosmetics. This setting spray is the bomb.com. Yeah, so that's my dose of colors, Fuego and Merami. Yeah, I love my highlights. I love me some highlights. Yep. Yeah, extra. So this is the lipstick from also Motive Cosmetics. This lipstick too, it's another wow. It's a delight. It's called Delight. It has a shimmering little glitters going on around it. It's really so cool, and especially when it dries up, you really get to enjoy the lipstick. It's really cool. It really it just went well with the look, with my eyes. Yeah, so that's the finished look, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, comment. Bye guys.